Hello guys, all around the world. My name is Shola Williams. We'll be discussing reason propylaid. So we'll be talking about reason for now. So I'm going to show you a typical example of a traditional mixer. This is your sample of your traditional mixer, your normal mixer. Sorry. So now I'm going to make some few connections. Okay. What do you use this guy for first? You might actually need to ask, what's this guy's for? This reason is your DAW, your digital audio workstation. You use it to record your accompaniment or instrumental or beats or percussions or anything you feel. So once you're looking for stuffs that can actually give you live feels, I bet you guys try to visit Reason Propylaid. It's going to give you some few live feels. Okay, you want this production to sound like, as if those things were played live, So try to visit Reason. Okay, this is your mixer. Then check for mixer. Okay, now let's hit tab to get to the back to the review. Then this is the review. Okay, you might actually need to create probably your drums, your drum kit. Okay, let's start from redrum. Okay, so what you're gonna do, the audio shift. Okay, so it's redrum. Okay, no, like this, I don't want this connection, so I didn't hold the shift to it, so I'm going to take off this connection. I don't like it. I'm an analog guy, so what do you expect? So okay, so hold your shift. Okay, shift was properly held. Okay, make some few connections. This is what computer connected for me, and I don't want that, so I need to make some few connections myself. Hold on your shift again. Let's create. Probably we might need a EQ, or okay, let's say reverb. We might need a delay. Let's hit on delay. Okay, now check you guys first. Check here. This is your auxiliaries return. As you can see, there's nothing written on this, guys. This is just like your paper. You understand? Your paper. That's it. You understand? This is just like a paper. Those days, you want to name something, so you put your paper on your console. You understand? Just you write with pen. You write what you want this thing to work for. So, sorry, I have kata. Okay, now you have this guy empty. This is empty. These guys are empty. So let's make some few connections. You hit the tab to get to the review. Then you take your left input. You put your left input here. So it's going to help you connect to the audio. So it feels you need that stuff. So now that's the output. This is the input, this is the output. If you remember, we talked about input and output. Okay, now check here on the paper. Now we have reverb here already. As you can see, that's reverb, so it's properly labeled reverb 1. So okay, let's check another one. Let's go back to the back view. Let's make some few connections for this. This is the delay. Probably I want my delay to be on 2, right? So you can take out your output also to here. So go to the front view. Then you see it's properly labeled already. So let's go back again. Now let's choose your okay. I like chaining. So let's chain some stuffs together. Let's chain these guys together. This is your chaining master. Your chaining master comes to this place, comes to master out, fine. Then your auxiliary comes to chaining auxiliary 1. This one comes to chaining auxiliary 2. The 3 comes to chaining auxiliary 3. Then the chaining auxiliary 3 comes to auxiliary 4. Now anything you tune from this mixer reflects on this guy. You understand? On the second mixer. Sorry, I do call gadgets guys. All these gadgets are called guys. This is a guy, this is a guy, this is a guy, this is a guy, and the computer also is a guy. The hard drive is a guy. So okay, let's go back to what we're talking about. So okay, now we have this guy, we have the two guys, the reverb and the delay, properly labeled in there. So let's change this guy. Okay, this is changed already. Okay, I like, what this guy did was he kept this into this place, and I don't want it there. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm an analog guy, so I like to separate my inputs and output so I can actually equalize them individually. You understand? So you put 4 to 4, you put 5 to 5, you put 6 to 6, 7 to 7, 8 to 8, 9 to 9, 10 to 10. You understand? So okay, you can as time goes on, you can on your own rehearse all these things. Okay, you have this guy properly separated. Okay, now let's create whatever. Let's create okay, let's say you want to create a subtractor. Okay, let's create the subtractor. Now this is connected. This I don't want that connection, so I take it off because I didn't hold my shift. So let me take this off. Let me hold my shift. So I'm gonna hold shift. Shift was held. Okay, let me get the subtractor. Okay, this is audio output. This is get input. This is, so I need to take out the output. I'm gonna put the output into a mixer. You understand? So I'm using this for, this is gonna serve as my percussion mixer. So this is gonna serve as my accompaniment mixer. So I have this in here. So let's create another one again. So let's create another one. Let's say I want to create an NXT. This is NXT created. This is audio output. This is get input. This is get input. This is, oh, these guys are cool too. So let's take this guy from here. Probably let's put it here. This is to 2. Oh, you can go on and on. You can take your Dr. Rex. You can take out your Dr. Rex. Okay, this is your main output. You just check for an output. You understand? So it's as easy as that. Okay, this is it. Fine, thank you. Okay, let's go to the console. You have all those guys named. This is the redrum channel. This is, you can see clearly, this is redrum channel 1, redrum channel 2, redrum channel 3. No, etc. Okay, now you have your subtractor, you have your NNXT one, and you have your Dr. Rex one. So all these guys are cool. For honest thing, you can actually make a quick beat, just like your Fruity Loops. In case you know with keyboard and you just need to sequence something fast, you just hit your click, press your play. It's gonna give you, okay, I'm coming, just hold on, let's check out the I'm trying to hit play and it's not playing, so but something might be wrong. Let's go to, don't forget I'm using Mac, so you hit on your reason first. The same thing with PC, with your Windows software, your Windows system. Okay, it's almost the same thing. Just come to your preference. So under your PC, just go to file, recent file. Under your recent file, just come down. You see where the root preference. Yeah, you understand. I think it's under edit. You just go down. You see where the preference is. Is in there. So let's click on this guy preference. So the audio is not coming out, so I need to check out what might be the cause. Okay, this is audio and this saying no sound. Okay, now this guy might not work because I'm making use of the audio already, I guess so. Okay, okay, let's output. Let's put this guy input. Let's put this guy. Okay, so now this guy is coming up. I don't know because probably I'm using the sound module already, so it won't work. Sorry for that. So with this, just hit to play. You can click on this guy, once you press to play, this guy will be playing. just like your beat making, this with drum. You can actually do this without using your keyboard to sequence. Just click on this guy, click on this guy, click on this guy, each on your buttons. This is going to give you the kick, this is going to give you the snare, this is going to give you this another. So this is the room shot, this is the hi-hat, this is your probably egg. It sounds like your shakers. So this is your tom 1, tom 2, floor tom. This is your hi-hat, this is your close hi-hat, this is your open hi-hat, and this is your ride or bell. Okay, this is for Reason. To record on Reason is very simple. Of course, in every sound recording doors, there's always an output and there's always an input. The thing is like give and take, you understand? So when there's L, there must surely be R. What is L? L is left, R is right. So this guy serves as a locator. So when there's a left locator, there must surely be a right locator. When there's 1, there must surely be a 2. When there's input, there must surely be an output. When there's I, there must surely be an O. What is I? Your I is your input, your O is your output. Hope you understand. At least you can understand the connections we did earlier. Okay, sorry for that. I'm gonna give you my my hotline. You guys can reach me on that. You can ask questions, so I'll be here to answer you guys, at least for this pandemic situations around. I can still answer some questions at leisure. Okay.